Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miesha, and today I'm going to be installing this 13x6 blonde wig. And this is my first ever blonde wig, and I'm so excited. If you are new here, hey boo, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's good, what's poppin', sis? New wig, new hair, new color. So I gotta start off with freshly washed hair, and the shrinkage is real, honey. But I'm just taking down these twists, and then I'm gonna slap some braids on my head. Don't focus too much on my foundation as long as it's flat. To achieve the ultimate melt, I have to be a baldie, so I'm going in with a bald cap and cutting out my ears so that it can be like really flat to my head. And then I just use some hairspray to take it down, and now I'm just cutting off the perimeter.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay.
I go across the edges of the wig cap with some gel, and then use my blow dryer and comb to like smooth everything down so that it's like skin once I apply the makeup.
Back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home.
This is a 13x6 lace wig from Yalova Hair, and this was in 28 inches. I did tone the hair a little with some purple conditioner, but everything was given. Y'all, I was thinking that this was a 30 inch or something because maybe I'm short, but this hair was really long. But I'm just gluing my hair in with Ghost Bond. I did go in with some layers of glue, and I let every layer dry before I started to take the wig down. As y'all can see, I just placed the wig directly into the glue, and that is a big no-no, okay? You want to make sure that you pull and stretch your wig. Y'all, why am I using all of this glue? Now that I'm looking back at this video, that looks like so much glue. I just wanted this wig to stay, honey. But yes, make sure you guys stretch your wig. So stretch the lace on your wig and pull it taut so that it can lay like real flat and seamless. As y'all can see right here, when I'm pulling, you can see like it's rumpling and bubbling, and it's just not flat to my head. So I had to do a little extra to like get it to lay flat. So to prevent all of that, you want to make sure that you pull your wig and, you know, stretch the lace out.
Pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown.
So here is a better view and a close-up of like my mess up. So I'm doing this and showing you guys this part so you can know, like, just stretch your lace when you're putting your wig on, and it will prevent all of this rumpling of the lace. So if I would have stretched it, it wouldn't have looked like this, but now I gotta go in and do like extra work to get it to lay as flat and seamless. But all of the pieces that I missed, I'm just going in with a little more glue and letting it dry down a little bit, and then laying my lace in it.
Girl, her space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only.
My biggest flex is knowing how to do my own hair, but of course, like, I'm not perfect. I learn as I go. So if you guys do your own hair or like experiment on your own head or someone that you know, let me know if you ever had this problem where your lace is like bubbling and it's just not laying like you thought it was. Let me know what you guys do to prevent that or fix it in the process. But I think that it came out really cute. I tweaked it and I think I came through. So let me know what you guys think down below.
Daughter, do I make you proud? Right in
So they did send over an elastic band, and I was so happy about this because this is the one with the Velcro strip, and this helped out a lot with getting it to like melt into my skin. So I did apply that and then apply some heat to it with my blow dry, and y'all look, y'all can't tell me I messed up. Like, it's still a little wonky, but we gonna get that together. So now I'm about to go ahead and pull out my baby hairs and like get them out the way so that I can furthermore go and lay this lace down and melt it even more. But I did want to go ahead and pull my baby hairs out so that when I do put the elastic band back on, it like kind of like form my baby hairs the way that I want them to go, and so it's easier to like slay them.
Do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a
So I'm using mousse to mold my hair down and get all of those flyaways out the way. And I'm also using this to make my hair flatter because I don't have a hot comb. So yeah, I gotta make things work. So I'm using the mousse, and then y'all can see I'm kind of putting it on my edges to lay them down as well. And I always do this because this kind of like helps me with that little white cast. So I just put some mousse around the edge of the lace, and then I hurry up and put the Velcro strip, the elastic band on my head. And y'all, I did this so tight I barely could move. Look at the ring around my forehead, y'all, but it got that lace looking good. Okay, so now I'm cutting and forming my baby hairs, making them look real good, real nice. And I have these little mini flat irons, and I'm curling them up so it's like easier for me to like swoop them in place. I don't know about y'all, but the blonde is giving. It's giving, okay? Like, I did not want to take this wig off. I first installed this wig around Christmas time, and baby, let me tell y'all, I had it in for months. All I did was just kept reinstalling it. Like, I was just so intrigued by the look of me with blonde hair. And it's just really my color, y'all. What do y'all think? I love the blonde on me. I'm gonna put a little color in it. So y'all stay tuned for that, for the revamp. But for now, just enjoy the blonde.
good. Yeah. Put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like.
So of course I'm using mousse to form my baby hairs. I don't know, y'all, I'm just liking the fluffy baby hairs when you comb them out. So yeah, I'm only using mousse to form them, and then I'm gonna wrap them up.
No days off, so you can go home with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day.
So y'all, this is the last time that I'm gonna be wearing this wig and this blonde color. I'm gonna revamp it and add some color to it. But y'all, this is how it looks before I take it off. So I just wanted to let y'all know how I refresh and restyle my wigs, like when they're getting old and my lace starts to come up. So I'm gonna go ahead and form a new part, and I'm doing that using mousse because, like I said at the beginning of this video, I don't have a hot comb. So yeah, I gotta use my wand curler to kind of like form my hair and get it to lay flat the way that I wanted it to go. And I kind of wanted like this little hump in the front. So yeah, I put a little clip right there to keep it in place. I did speed up this part where I do my baby hairs because I didn't realize that I already showed y'all how I was swooping and forming my baby hairs. So yeah. So that was like a mini straight to the point time lapse of me doing my baby hairs. And now I'm just adding some makeup along my hairline because we want this to look like it did when I first installed it. And with transparent lace, it likes to get a little dirty and I don't know. So yeah, I'm going in with some hairspray. And yeah, that's how I'm going to go ahead and revamp the lace. And lay it back down because as y'all can see, it's coming up in certain places. And then I just wrapped it up with a scarf.
Can I catch a break. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space.
So I'm using some hair oil that acts as a heat protectant because we're going to do some curls. I'm going to use my wand curler to make like these waves in the back of my hair. And then I want to do like some spiral curls, some actual ring curls in the front. So yeah, you guys can just watch me curl my hair. And my boyfriend had brought me like this taco salad. So yeah, I had to take a break and eat. But you guys can just watch me curl my hair.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. Job like no days off, so you can go home with that jump on jealousy.
So this is how it looks once I take the scarf off and everything has melted. Y'all, it looks really good for an old install. All I did was, revamp it a little. So this is something that you guys can take and use when your hair starts to get old. You can refresh it yourself before taking it out. That completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to shop Yelova Hair. I will have all of that information down below in the description box, so check it out. Stay tuned for me coloring this hair. Comment down below and give me some color ideas, some color combo ideas. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.